Hello dear students, welcome in this YouTube channel. So we are doing Arithmetic Progression class 10 chapter 5. So this is part 2, and in part 1 we have done 8 questions. So now we are to start with the 9th question. So let's see what is 9th question. 9th question is, if the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, then what is its 20th term? So see here in this 9th question, what is given? It is given that first term of this AP is 10. So A is 10 given, and sum of 14 terms is given 1050. So S14 is given 1050. Okay, so we have the formula of S14. So formula is, using this formula we know Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. That is the formula for sum of n terms. So S14, for 14 we have n is 14, so 14 over 2 into 2a, so 2 tens are 20, plus 14 minus 1, that is 13d, is equal to 1050 here given. Okay, so cancel 7. So now this 7 can go here down in the denominator, and what is left? 20 plus 13d is equal to 1050 over 7. So 7 ones are 750s are 105 and 10 also there. So now this 20 will also go to the right hand side. So 13d is equal to 150 minus 20. So 13d is with us 130. So d is 130 over 13, that is 10. So now we have the common difference 10 here, and first term is 10 also. So we need to find out here, see 9th question, 20th term we need to find out. So it means A20 we need to find out, that is A plus 19D. So A is here 10 plus 19 into D. D is also 10. So what will be this? 10 plus 19, tens are 190. So this is 200. So 20th term of this AP is 200. So the 10th question is, how many terms of the given AP must be taken so that their sum is 78? So we have AP here 24, 21 and 18. So here it is said that how many terms we have to take from this AP so that sum will be 78. So suppose let there are n terms, we suppose. Okay, first of all you see what is here first term, that is 24, and what is here common difference? 21 minus 24, that is minus 3, right? So how many terms are needed to make the sum 78? So let required number of terms be n terms. Okay, so it means Sn is 78 because sum of n terms is 78. So I suppose that n terms are required to make the sum 78. It means Sn is 78. So what is the formula for Sn? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d is equal to 78 in this question. So fill the value. N we need to find out, and n over 2 into 2a, so 2 into 24, that is 48, plus n minus 1, d is minus 3, is equal to 78, right? Now this 2 will go here, right? So now this 2 can be multiplied here, so it becomes n into 48 here, minus 3 into n is minus 3n, and minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3, is equal to 78 into 2 we can do, and that is 156, right? So now here 48 plus 3, that is 51. 51 into n will be 51n, and n into minus 3n, that is minus 3n square, and this is equal to 156. So we can divide both side by 3. So all are these here, the multiples of 3, we can divide all these all terms with 3. So it becomes a 17n minus n square is equal to 3 5s are 3 2s are 52. So all will be taken to this side. So what it becomes, n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. This is our equation. Now we'll solve this equation by splitting the middle term. So 52 है ना, तो minus 17 can be broken in such a way that the two parts will be there. Their sum should be minus 17n, but their product should be 52n square. That is 13 and 4. So you can say that minus 13n and minus 4n. Okay, minus 13n minus 4n is minus 17n, and their product is minus plus 52n square. So plus 52 is equal to 0. So let's take some another sheet. So here n is common, so what is left? N minus 13. And from here minus 4 is common, so what is left? N, and minus and plus is minus 4 13s are 52. So from these two, n minus 13 is taken common. What is left inside? N minus here 4. So product of these two factor is 0. So either you can say either first one, that is n minus 13 is 0, or you can say n minus 4 is 0. So from here you can say n is 13, and from here you can say n is 4. So there are 13 terms and n terms are needed, right, to make the sum as 78. So both answers are correct. So 13 and 4 is the answer. Now let's do the 11th question. The question is, find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. So we need to find out S24. S24 is to be found out, and an is given to us. An is 3 plus 2n. Okay, so dear students, for finding Sn we need to have one thing, n, a and d. These three things we needed. N also, first term a also, d is common difference. So here n is given to us 12. As 12 we need to find out. So n is given 12 here. A and d we can find out from here. See, if I fill n as 1, so I will get the first term a1, so that is 3 plus 2 into 1, that is 5. a2, when I will fill as n2, then I am getting a2. Okay, so put here n as 1, so I am getting 3 plus 2 into 1, that is 3 plus 2, that is 5. First term is 5. Now if I fill n as 2, I am getting the second term, so 3 plus 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3 7. So second term is 7. Okay, first term is 5. So you can find out common difference also, because common difference is a2 minus a1, that is 7 minus 5, that is 2. So d is also there with me now, a is also there with me, a1 and a is same thing only, n is 12. So we can find out the sum of 12 terms. So we know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So let's fill the values. S12 is equal to n over 2. So what is n here? That is 12. So 12 over 2 into 2a. So 2 into this is a, 5. 2 into 5, that is 10, plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1, that is 11, into d. Here d is 2. So our answer is coming. So 2 1s are 2 6 are. So 6 into 10 plus 22. So 22 plus 10 is 32. So 32 6 are, 6 2s are 12, 1, 18 plus 1 19. So 192 is the sum of 12 term of this AP. Now the 12th question is, the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. So sum of first 7 terms. So S7 is given to you 49, and then it is, and that of 17 terms is 289, and S17 is 289 given, right? So find the sum of n terms. So Sn we need to find out, right? So from these two, we know for finding Sn we can have, or we need three things: n, a and d. So n is already n given, so we need a and d. So a and d can be found from these two given things. S7 is 49, S17 is 289. From these two equations we will find out the value of a and d, and we will fill here. So let's start. S7, so S7 formula is n by 2, that is, or you can say n over 2 into 2a, suppose first term is a, plus n minus 1 d is equal to 49 given here, right? So n is here 7, you can fill n 7 here, right? So 2 will go here up and 7 will come here down in the cross multiplication, and inside what is left? 2a plus 6d here is equal to 49. 2 will come up and 7 will go down. 7 ones are 7 sevens are. Okay, so see what is left. 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. So full equation can be divided both sides by 2 because 2 is common factor here. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is our first equation. So second equation can be found out from the second equation here, S17. So S17 is 289. So S17 will be 17 over 2, I mean n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, 17 minus 1 d is equal to 289. Here also 2 will go up and 17 will go down in the cross multiplication, and inside what is left? 2a plus 16d is equal to 289, and 17 up and 2 up and 17 down. 17 ones are 17, 17s are 289, right? So what is left? 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. So all can be divided by 2. So it is 2a, right? So it is left a plus 8d is equal to 17. This is our second term, second equation. So we can solve first and second equation. Simply you subtract second equation from first. So it becomes minus minus minus. So a and a will be cancelled from here only. So what is left? 3d minus 8d, that is minus 5d, is equal to 7 minus 17, that is minus 10. So minus minus cancelled. So d is coming here 2. 10 over 5 is 2. So put d2 in equation 1, we will get the value of a also. So right, put d is equal to 2 in equation 1. So d is 2. So it becomes a plus 3 2 is 6 is equal to 7. So a is coming 1. A is 1, d is 2. So let's find out now Sn. Sn is n over 2 into 2a. So 2 into 1, that is 2, plus n minus 1, d is here 2, n minus 1 d, this is. So let's see what will be there. N by 2 into 2 plus 2 into n is 2n, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So 2 2 cancelled. So what is left? See, n over 2 into 2n is left here. So 2 2 cancelled. So n into n is n square. So Sn is coming n square, answer. Now let's do the 13th question. The first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350. So here first term is given to you 17, and if there are n terms, then last term, that is an, is given to you 350, right? Next is, if common difference is 9, so d is 9 given. How many terms are there and what is their sum? It means we are to find out Sn and how many terms are there. It means we are to find out n also, right? How many terms means n we are to find out, and what is their sum? It means Sn we are to find out. So from these three things. So let's start. It's very easy question. So an is given to you 350. Last term is, suppose n terms are there. So an is 350. So an formula is a plus n minus 1d is 350 given to you, right? So fill the value of a is 17 plus n minus 1, n we need to find out, d is 9 is 350. take this 17 to right hand side, what it becomes, n minus 1 into d is equal to 350 minus 17, that is 333, right? So now it is 9, d is 9. So now this 9 will go here down in the denominator, it will be divided, so it becomes 333 over 9. So let's divide it with 9. 9 ones are 9 3s are 27 and 6 is left, so 9 7s are 63. So now n minus 1 is 37, so n will be 37 plus 1, that is 38. So it means there are 38 terms. So we need to find out now sum of 38 terms also. It is asked that how many terms are there and what is their sum. So there are 38 terms, and what is their sum? So as 38 we need to find out. The formula for as 38 is n over 2, so n is here 38, so 38 over 2 into 2a, so 2 into 17, that is 34, plus n minus 1, 38 minus 1, 37 into d, d is here 9, so this will be there. So let's see, 2 ones are 2 19s are, okay, and then 34 plus 37 into 9, 9 7s are 63, 3 here, 6 as carry, so 9 3s are 27, 27 and 6 333, right? So 19 into, you add these, so it will be 367, right? So 19 into 367, so 19 7s are 133, 3 here, 13 as carry, okay. So 19 6 are 114, 114 and 114 plus 13, 127, so 7 here, 12 as carry. So 19 3s are 57, 57 plus 12, 69. So 6973 is the answer of this question. So now the last question is, the fourth term of an AP is equal to 3 times the first term, okay. So it means fourth term, A4 is 3 times the first term, 3A, right? So next is, and seventh term exceed twice the third term by 1. It means the seventh term is exceeding the twice of third term by 1. So it means seventh term minus, if I do twice the third term, so 2 into A3, then it is 1. इसका मतलब है जो सेवेंथ टर्म है वो थर्ड टर्म के ट्वाइस से एक ज्यादा है. सो इट मीन्स A7 माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ थर्ड टर्म इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके, सो फाइंड द AP. AP फाइंड करने का मतलब है वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट A एंड D and write 3-4 terms of the AP and so on. Okay, so from these two conditions we need to find out A and D, right? So from first condition you can see A4 is 3A. A4 means A plus 3D is 3A. So you bring this A also to this side, so it becomes A minus 3A, that is minus 2A, plus 3D is equal to 0. So this is our first equation. So from here the second equation can be found. So A7 means A plus 6D minus 2 into A3 is A plus 2D is equal to 1. So let's find out what is the answer of this equation. So A plus 6D, here multiply with minus 2, so minus 2A, and minus 2 is plus 2 is minus 4D, and it is equal to 1. So A minus 2A, that is minus A, right? 6D minus 4D, that is plus 2D is equal to 1. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. We'll solve these by elimination method. So see here, if I multiply equation 2 by 2, so I'll get the coefficient of A as the same here. So you write multiply equation 2 by 2. So let's write both the equations together now. So first equation is minus 2A plus 3D is equal to 0. Now second equation is multiplied by 2, so it becomes minus 2A plus 4D is equal to 2. So you are to subtract this second equation from first, so signs will be changed, plus minus minus, it is cancelled, so it is minus D is equal to minus 2, so D is 2 here. So if D is 2, then you put D2 in one equation, or in equation number 2 you can fill. So D is 2 here, so it means minus A plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1. So minus A is here जाके minus 3, so A is 3 here. So A is 3 and D is 2. So we need to write the AP. So AP means we need to write the first 3 terms or 4 terms. So it means, so we'll write AP is, first is A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, and so on. This will be AD. Okay, what is A? 3. What is A plus D? 5. What is A plus 2D? That will be 7. Okay, then it is 9, and so on. This is the required AP. So this way we will solve these questions. Thanks for watching.